Creating the token is quite simple. First of all, you should install PyJWT and then import all those libraries. And here we get all the values we created before, and then we create a payload out of them, and we store this payload under our token. So based off the payload, we create a token, and here we should specify a secret for the token. This is a secret you should never share with other people. And after that, the token will be created, and here are the values which are inside the token. The first one is user ID, the second username, the third one is role, and the other one, the fourth one, is expired. So in 1 day from now, the token will be expired. It is good due to security reasons, people do it. And after that, we can just test the route. And also, we will protect other routes based off these tokens. So in order for users to access routes, users will be able to specify this token. Otherwise, they will not be able to go to the routes. And users can get this token only after they have managed to log in. Let's clean our code and try to log in. Okay. And as you can see, here is our token.